Welcome my people, and welcome again. This BM Africa. I'm coming live from inside the workshop. This is my daily routine. So, so I have to take this grace outside so that we can put a display there before we start to fabricate another thing. And this is a blessing day. It's a blessing morning. We thank God for this. Uh, so let me show you guys how this is my daily routine. Imagine from the village to the workshop. Okay, so this our display look like. Yes, so we have to put that one here, and the display look like that. Like you see, it's early in the morning. You see my birds here. Wow, the birds are there. You can see also the birds are there. Okay, the benches for the welders. Oh no, the benches for everybody who want to come and watch birds here. This is the benches. Okay, it's morning here in Kenya, I see. You see the birds? Wow, it's kind of blessing. We don't complain here in Africa. With the jobs, we do welding. See? Yeah. Okay, so I have to remove this one. Yeah, it's dropping up there. So I have to remove it to put it outside. And this is my welding bench. This is my bench for cutting the metals here. So before I started fabricating, so I have to come here and start cutting the metals here. After that, I go to the field there to weld there, right? I'll show you later. So all this like an industry where we cut the metals, we cut it. Then from there we go to the field to fabricate what we started to cut here. Yeah, of course. Okay, so this how everything is look like you see here, up here, because I love the nature, you see. So after I finish uh, putting the display outside, so I have to buy the braids for the birds before I started, so that they cannot disturb move from here. If there is no food, I think they can move from this tree to another one, maybe the other one there. But because I love the birds, I have to buy them the bread and make them stay here long and long, right? So this is a kind of blessing. Let me take you inside the workshop. Wow, just I'm inside the workshop now. So the next step is to take the machine outside from there and just look the connection there. Yeah, the connection is okay. How many units is remaining before we started the job? Today we are planning to fabricate the gates, right? So I think that's a kind of blessing. Okay, I have my tape measure here, welding rods, axle, frame, and blade. It's a blessing, guys. So from there we have our machine here. This a normal machine, you see. We have a primary and secondary weldings. Yeah, on the other side, let me show you guys. This medium. How to put it? I mean, medium. Uh, We have a low here, high and medium. So this I add her there, and we also have our holder. Yeah, yeah, this duocali one. So from there we have our cable here. We have our cable, my welding goggles here, like you see. From there, I don't think we have anything else. This is a blessing. Okay, welcome and welcome everybody. This BM Africa, a typical village boy born and raised in northern part of Kenya. So today I'm here in the workshop. I want to show you guys the whole of this week to show you guys how workshop operates, how we fabricate windows, doors, so that anybody who is outside there, you wanted to learn how to weld, so that you can know the basics and also more about the welding, right? So this your boy, a typical village boy, BM Africa, born and raised in northern part of Kenya. More video coming. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and that's the only way you can support and hold hand a village boy. Welcome and welcome again. It's a kind of blessing. Okay, uh, like I forgot to tell you something. This handle I was given by one of my friend. They are in Nairobi. So he sent this axle frame to me, and also this welding rod and the tape measure. So this the things I'm using right now. Yeah, it's a blessing. Thank you so much, my friend there. You know yourself. God bless you.